The global impact of halal pharmaceuticals on modern healthcare. Intro. What if the future of medicine is not only about how effective a drug is, but also about where its ingredients come from and how it is manufactured? Around the world, halal pharmaceuticals are becoming increasingly important in modern healthcare. But why? And how could they change the future of medicine? The hidden shift in medicine. Halal pharmaceuticals are medicines manufactured according to Islamic requirements. This can involve the source of ingredients, manufacturing processes, storage, transportation, and contamination control. Special attention is often given to materials such as gelatin, enzymes, glycerin, and other animal-derived ingredients. Manufacturers must carefully verify their sources and production processes. This growing demand is also encouraging research into plant-based, synthetic, and other alternatives to animal-derived pharmaceutical materials. Transparency and patient trust. One of the biggest benefits of halal pharmaceutical standards is greater transparency. From raw materials to the final medicine, manufacturers can maintain detailed records of ingredients and production processes. This helps strengthen supply chain integrity and consumer confidence. For Muslim patients, clearly identified halal medicines can also reduce uncertainty about treatment. It gives patients greater confidence that their religious and ethical values are being respected. And this can contribute to more inclusive healthcare. The global economic opportunity. The importance of halal pharmaceuticals is growing across regions including Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and other international markets. Countries such as Indonesia are strengthening their focus on halal requirements for medicines and medical products. For pharmaceutical companies, early preparation can provide better market access and stronger consumer trust. Halal compliance is therefore becoming not just a religious consideration, but also a potential business and regulatory advantage. Blockchain. In the future, the pharmaceutical supply chain is becoming increasingly complex. A single medicine may involve suppliers and manufacturers from several different countries. Emerging technologies such as AI and blockchain could help track ingredients, suppliers, certification, and manufacturing records. This could make halal verification faster, more transparent, and more reliable. In the future, these systems may become particularly important for advanced medicines such as vaccines, biologics, gene therapies, and mRNA-based treatments. Conclusion. The future of halal pharmaceuticals is about more than religion. It is about transparency, ethical sourcing, patient trust, and inclusion. As medicine becomes more advanced, patients will increasingly want to know not only whether a treatment works, but also what goes into it and how it is produced. Halal pharmaceuticals can become an important part of this global transformation. The future of healthcare may be more transparent, ethical, and inclusive than ever before. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more content about pharmacy, healthcare, and the future of medicine.